Hello grade 2s, it is a Wednesday and today is the day that we're going to take our keyword outline about roosters and we are going to write our paragraph. So you have a blank page here to write your paragraph. Just a few things to remind you, leave the top line blank because you're going to put your title, and when you begin to write you're going to do a 3-finger indent, but after that I want you to start right on the margin, okay? And you're going to take your keyword outline and you're going to turn it into sentences. If it helps you, you can go through like we do our retell, where we go through and say them so you can think of what your sentences are. But do one at a time. Think of your sentence and put it down where we start with a capital, we end with an end mark, okay? And now we're going to talk about our dress-ups that we're going to add in. So we have an ly adverb, and these will be on your checklist. A who, which clause. I'm just looking up at the board. A strong verb, a because clause, and a quality adjective. Now, quality adjective isn't on your checklist yet, but if you want to try using it, you can. So we can talk about an ly. We can talk, maybe I was thinking of how they cry out tuk, 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 tuk when they're picking up food. So I could maybe say how they're going to call tuk, 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 tuk. Maybe they're going to loudly call tuk, 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 tuk to tell the hens to come and pick up their food. Maybe I'm going to say they quickly call tuk, 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 and then they want to get eating their food, or they excitedly call tuk, 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 tuk. Now, you'll notice our strong verb is we have a few different times where we say what a rooster says. Now, you can't see, but up on our word wall, we have say or said. Speak, yell, whisper, sing, shout. But I was thinking of some other ways that a chicken would say it. We could say they crow, or they cry, or maybe they squawk, or they caw, or they call, or they sing. You could use some of those as your strong verbs. Now, in terms of a because clause, I was thinking that you could do, for the first one, roosters, I was going to say, roosters watch over the flock because it is their job, okay? Or another one that I thought of was roosters dance because it shows the hens where the food is, okay? We also have a who, which. I had an idea of a who, which. I was thinking that we could even say male chickens, which are roosters, do not lay eggs, okay? So I hope you can get some ideas there to add in some of your dress-ups. Feel free to use your own. I just wanted to brainstorm a little bit with you, okay? So today you're going to turn our keyword outline into our own sentences, okay? And then tomorrow, what you're going to do is you're going to go back and create a title from your clincher. Remember, it has to be 2 or 3 words from your last sentence is the words that you're going to use for your title. And then you're going to go through your checklist, okay, to make sure you have everything. And I also gave you a blank page where you can put a picture to go with our paragraph about roosters, okay? Have lots of fun. If you have any questions, ask your mom or dad, and they can send me a message if you have a question as well that you'd like me to answer. Otherwise, have a great time writing about our roosters.